Today I wanted to show you this nice little bit and socket set that I got. What I mainly like to use it for is for my quadcopter here. You can use sockets to take props off. You've got Allen wrenches in here, Allen bit heads. Take those out. Basically, as you can see here, come with a larger handle driver, and then you have the small one for precision. Let's go ahead and take a look at those. This is the larger one. And here is the smaller one. That's the one I was interested in for precision. You can see this twists. But that's how you tighten it down. You can't really see on my camera here. Anyways, you do have extensions. Just twist that open. And you have a flexible extension here at this end. The ends do twist here. Let's take that off. Also a solid extension here. And I believe on the inside you have a little magnet to hold your bits in place. And if you need to use the smaller bits with the larger handle here, you can just, this little attachment here will go in, and then the smaller bits will fit in that in there. Okay, I like to show you now how I use these tools with my little racer here. Basically for my props, I can use this little adapter. And then right on. Take them off, same way, put them back on. And that's using the big driver. For the precision driver, that will allow me to take all the intricate pieces apart. So unscrew this, fit that in there. Like taking this top plate off, and this little rotating pivot here. It's really handy for one-handed operation. And there you have it. You'll have all kinds of different bits and drivers, like I said, so depending on how you build it or how your multi-rotor comes pre-built, you're pretty much going to have everything you need to work on it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.